Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar RV Update, your trusted financial news hub. We're glad to have you back with us here at the Iraqi Dinar RV channel, where we bring you crucial updates that could change your financial landscape. What we're about to share today isn't merely interesting. It could mark a major turning point for your personal wealth and future. A long-awaited milestone has been reached. For years, there's been an ongoing buzz surrounding the revaluation, RV, and reinstatement of the Iraqi Dinar, an IQD, and the Vietnamese Dong, VND. Speculation, forums, and rumors have kept currency investors on edge. Now, we can finally put that speculation to rest. As of May 13, 2020, both the IQD and the VND have become officially tradable on the global foreign exchange, Forex, market. This is not a rumor. This isn't insider chatter. This is a confirmed and public development. This step marks the beginning of something that could be truly monumental. Global banks and financial institutions are now prepared to facilitate real, regulated currency exchanges based on the new market-driven value of these currencies. Why this moment matters? For many, this represents more than just financial gain. It's about faith, patience, and perseverance. Those who invested in the dinar and dong when others doubted now find themselves in a position where their foresight could yield significant returns. Early reports suggest that returns are ranging from 5 to 10 times the original investment, sometimes even more. A person who purchased $1,000 worth of IQD years ago could now be looking at a potential exchange value between $7,000 and $10,000, depending on market activity. A historic shift in Iraq and Vietnam. This development signifies more than just a monetary change. It represents economic progress and reintegration. Iraq's rebuilding efforts, especially in sectors like oil production, housing, agriculture, and industry, are gaining momentum. Experts argue that such massive undertakings would be unsustainable at the previous rate of 1310 IQD per USD. A revaluation helps lower project costs, encourages foreign investment, and boosts economic viability. In Vietnam, rapid advancements in manufacturing, technology, and trade agreements have elevated the country to a regional economic leader. The global recognition of the VND on Forex markets reflects that progress. What the experts are saying. Well-known financial commentators are chiming in with their analysis. Militiaman, a recognized voice in the dinar community, emphasized that Iraq's economic expansion can't be realistically supported by the old rate. He believes the revaluation was not only inevitable, it was necessary. Meanwhile, Frank26, another popular intel provider, sees geopolitical factors at play. He claims Iran's political and economic influence delayed Iraq's monetary reform, and suggests that decisive action by former President Donald Trump could be a catalyst for Iraq's central bank, CBI, to reveal further currency rate adjustments. According to him, now that Iran is being addressed, the path is clearer for Iraq to act. Together, these insights point to a convergence of domestic progress and geopolitical developments that may be setting the stage for even more substantial changes in the near future. What to expect next? While May 13th marked the initial launch on Forex platforms, the broader rollout for everyday currency holders starts May 16, 2025. This is when major banks across the US, Canada, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East are beginning to publicly process exchanges at market rates. This is the moment many of you have been waiting for. But, as with any major financial event, preparation is key. Steps to take before exchanging. 1. Inspect your currency. Ensure your banknotes are in good physical condition. Damaged, torn, or excessively worn currency might not be accepted by financial institutions. 2. Have proper identification. Bring a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. 3. Call ahead. Not every bank is equipped or ready to handle currency exchanges immediately. Some require appointments, and others might only allow certain volumes per day. Verify their process before visiting. 4. Bring proof of purchase. If you have receipts or certificates from when you purchased your IQD or VND, bring them with you. These documents may not always be required, but they can be helpful for both legal and tax purposes. 5. Consult a tax advisor. If your exchange results in a substantial gain, be aware that it may be subject to capital gains taxes. Laws vary depending on your country and region, so seek professional advice to ensure compliance and to potentially minimize what you owe. Avoiding scams and staying safe. Unfortunately, major financial events tend to attract fraudsters. Be cautious of anyone promising exclusive rates, VIP access, or special codes. If someone asks you to send money upfront, join a private group, or pay to be part of a secret exchange process, that's a scam. This process is legal, public, and transparent. You do not need any third-party or special insider access to benefit. All you need is your currency, proper ID, and a reputable financial institution. Understanding your options. One of the biggest questions now is, should you exchange your entire holding immediately, or should you wait for potentially higher rates? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your financial goals, current needs, and risk tolerance. Some may want to cash out a portion now and hold the rest in case of future appreciation. Others may choose to pay off debt, invest, or build savings. What matters is that you now have real options, not just hypothetical scenarios. Looking forward. This is not the final chapter. It's the beginning of a new era. Iraq and Vietnam are stepping back into the global spotlight. Their currencies now have recognized value, and their economies are poised for continued growth. As these countries progress, their currencies could continue to appreciate. However, Forex markets are dynamic, and values fluctuate based on global demand, government policies, and economic data. Staying informed will be crucial going forward. Stay connected with us. Our mission is to help you navigate this complex environment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the scene, we offer regular updates, expert analysis, exchange strategies, and post-exchange guidance. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. A moment of validation. For many of you, this moment is about more than profit. It's about being proven right after years of skepticism and doubt from others. You held on, you stayed informed, and now you're seeing the results of your belief. Whether you choose to exchange now or later, the point is, you made it, and we're here with you as the journey continues. Final thoughts. Tomorrow, May 16, 2025, could be the day you look back on as the beginning of a new chapter in your life. You don't need secret codes, paid memberships, or unverified groups. You just need preparation, awareness, and a plan. This is a real, verifiable opportunity, and how you act next is entirely in your hands. Stay sharp, stay cautious, stay optimistic, and above all, stay tuned.